Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a minute and there's updates on the 55 coming, but I didn't shoot an intro to, well, you've seen in the thumbnail, the Talladega. So I didn't shoot a thumbnail because we've been back and forth over the last weeks trying to get this whole deal done and get it picked up and do what we needed to do. So like I said, I didn't shoot any kind of an intro. So I'm kind of shooting one now, and then you'll see footage after this of us unearthing the car and getting it ready to move and getting it over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this now. You'll see the footage from the garage where it was, and then I'll bring it back and I'll give you more information on it, or I'll actually give you information on it. So stick with me. We'll be right back. Okay guys, well, you've seen where we got it from, and now let's do a little walk around and give you a little bit of the backstory. So, here it is. It's a 1969 Ford Talladaga. It looks like a Torino, but I'll show you the fenders in a little bit. Anybody knows anything about Talladagas? They're very special cars. This car here has been on a rotisserie for 42 years. And the gentleman bought it, drove it home, and took it apart. And that's where it's sat.
How far you want to jack up?
Well guys, I hope you enjoyed the video on the Talladega. There's a lot of history on these cars, and take a minute and look it up. Google it and see what they did between Holman and Moody and Ford, what they actually did with these cars to run them in NASCAR in 1969. This was the beginning of the Aero Wars. This car is really neat. Like I said, it's been sitting for a long time. And the gentleman took it all apart, and it's basically sat on a rotisserie for 42 years. And he recently passed away, and his wife wanted to get rid of everything. So I acquired it, and we will see where it goes from there. But we saved it. We got it out of the garage, and we got it home. So we set the motor in it and did a couple other things just to make the car movable, put the steering back in it, stuff like that. So anyway, you know what? Please like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. You know what? Please have a great day, and thanks for watching the video. Peace out.